working on the '07 Accord V6. So I was driving, I heard a knock, and looked like this bushing for the strut mount came out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change this. This one is a 12, these two 12s, 314s. And then I came down here and I said, this is a new control arm, and it's already coming out. So this is a Welding brand. I gotta take this whole thing out and just tack weld it because I don't have a new control arm, and the ball joint should still be good. So that's what I'm gonna do to fix that problem for now. But yeah, I gotta take this out, stop that bushing. So these are 12s, take these out. These are a 10. These are a 14 for this one right here. Take off the lower fork, which is a 17. So the easiest way is to take out the strut. You want to take out this control arm. So it's a good thing I have to both in the same repair. The bushing basically disintegrated. So now, gotta find a new one, reassemble this, and hopefully that should fix this problem. Then onto the controller. This is the new one. This one was actually kind of hollowed out, so just swapped it over. These are the new bushings, so I'm gonna install these, and hopefully I don't have any more issues with these coilovers. So that whole assembly is completed. So now I'm just gonna start on this, clean it up so I could tack it, and then throw everything back in the car. And the brakes are fine, they've just been sitting for a while, so I just gotta drive them, clean up the rotors, and everything should be back to normal. So completed the welding, just did 4 little quick tacks, so that should hold it in place. And I'm just gonna hit it with a quick spray paint. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't come out again. If it does, just have to get a brand new arm. This is a Welding brand. I tried to move, that didn't work. Welding, this is what happened. So I have to find a different brand at this point because things ain't as good as they used to be. So more or less, that's how it looks. Looks fairly good. So I'm gonna throw it back into the car. There's a little notch in the back, so you gotta make sure you get it in correctly. So that's 14, tighten it up, then you can just move on to the rest.
pretty lies. Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.